Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you love disco and love diffusing, then you have to get this diffuser. I think this is one of my favorite diffusers that I've ever had. This is a disco ball diffuser and it's by SCANDINORDICA, and I think it is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Now this is not just a disco ball that has a print of vinyl that's disco, but rather you can actually see the individual panels. They even included extras in case one pops off. So it has a timer and you can max it out to unlimited diffusing or 3, 2, or 1 hours. And the disco ball not only lights up with 7 different colors, but it even rotates. So it has a slower rotation, a little bit faster, and you can completely stop it if you don't want it to rotate. Look at the diffusing air that's coming out. It really blasts it so you get the full effect of the diffuser, but then also you have that disco ball that is so fun. If you're having a party at your house and everyone is dancing up a storm and getting sweaty, you can blast them out with the diffuser to clear the air. Or just put this on whenever you need to have a fun time. It will automatically make you smile. I think that this diffuser is such a fun idea. I wish I had thought of it myself, but I'm so happy that I came across this one. It's awesome, it runs well, and it is absolutely super fun. But that's my point of view.